everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Zelle for group payment and splitting bills. In order to use Zelle for group payment and splitting bills, you could follow these steps. So first thing first, what you could do is log into your Zelle account, and when you're logged in, go to pay and transfer. Next thing you want to do is select send and request money with Zelle. As you click on it, then you'll be able to see that select the people that you want to split the bills with. So you have to go ahead and access the contact. Next thing you want to do is enter the exact amount or the total amount to be split. Select the review button. Select the review button and confirm the split. Now if you're using Zelle app, you could also split a charge from your checking account or a credit card activity to do this. So for that, you need to go to your account activity, swipe left on the charge you want to split and select split. Choose or add the contact you want to split the charge with. This way you'll be able to use Zelle for group payment and splitting bills. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.